This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to give a quick overview of the new lesson series coming out, which accompanies my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. Now, originally, this was two different books, book 1 and book 2, but in the current edition, books 1 and 2 have been combined together. So it's one edition, note reading books 1 and 2. And in this book and this accompanying lesson series, we're going to be working on reading notes and playing the guitar in first position. So we're going to be playing melodies written in standard music notation on the guitar in the first position. First position includes the open strings and frets 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, why would you want to learn to read notes and play notation with the guitar? Well, for one reason, it helps unlock the fretboard. It helps us understand the fretboard. And then subsequently, it can help us with music theory. To understand music theory, we really have to understand notation as well. Those two go hand in hand. So if you want to learn music theory or learn more about music theory, learn more about the fretboard on the guitar, it really helps to know music notation. But it's also important because if you want to play ensemble music, it's most often written in standard music notation. So that's ensemble music, meaning whether it's for a guitar ensemble or if you want to play in a band where you're reading notated music. It's also helpful for solo guitar playing. A lot of solo guitar repertoire is written in standard music notation. So these are some reasons. Another thing is you might want to someday take music written for another instrument and adapt it to the guitar. So it really helps in those cases to be able to read standard music notation as well. So in this lesson series, we're going to be working on that together. There will be instructional videos where I'll do some explaining or where I throw out some tips for playing, but most of the time we're actually going to be jamming together on the songs and exercises that are contained within the book. So in each of these videos, or most of the videos that will go through this lesson series, we're going to be jamming together on those songs and exercises. You, me, and the band. So there will be bass and drums, keys, so on. There will be little arrangements. We'll be playing these melodies and these exercises with a band, which is awesome. In all my years of teaching, over 20 years of teaching, whether that be at the university level, private instruction at home, camps, wherever it be, I've always tried to turn the music making experience into an ensemble band experience, whether it's just me and one student, me and you, whatever it is. When we're playing music, it's a social experience. It's all about playing together. So in this lesson series, we're going to be jamming together on these songs and exercises right in a band setting, which is going to be so fun. And it'll help you if your ultimate goal is to be playing ensemble music, whether that be in a band, a big band, a jazz band, a rock band, whatever it is, a guitar ensemble, duets, whatever setting you may be wanting to play in, solo guitar settings, whatever it may be, where you want to learn and play music with that written notation, we're going to help you here. So it's going to be great. Have fun with this, and I'll see you in these lesson videos.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.